kuga ati atongeri bara thirikari ni gukundira kaone kamwe na akora goons. Goonism culture itugite kironda gya nkuye emyanga tene ya mugongo.
Goonism umeo tene etire. Isa thirikari na isa opposition. Koto tumba kuolota tuwa ngunira is special ngirogia ngunirengi. It is we as leaders who have to bring that one to a stop. Konte ko lota thirikari kambolota opposition. Kankuga atire siasa nguni simu etebwa. Nonto at the end of the day imwanenchi akumia. Ani mbiando bate ko exercise tolerance. Bature tuena katiba, the best constitution maybe in Africa kana in the world. Only that it is never implemented to the latter. Nenden karomba nkiuga atire let us have what we call political tolerance. Kotueke mpinzani oku newe kanya si express. Dekenyo eta mochamani onayo hawe. Aimbio gira waria ataria gaeta. Mea kwaria ono bwanto baragia bagaeta. And in fact get the ato correct opposition ba eta ba baria totibo kiria meto okirege no ba kithia. Wa mo kithia aterua anto bakathwania gato kuwa. Nende oni binkroba nkuwa. Goonism is not good. Tuthiateni katiba na inkwira thirikari ya vigilance na menye mwananchi nwa kumia anything ya penire te bugi. Ankoro bankiuga even in Meru, let us stop goonism, let us have tolerance with one another, let us listen to one another na tureke muntu aritengoe kina space iragi katiba ntunde we are all constitutional abiding citizens.
Mheshimiwa, siasa za Kenya ina mbere tonyande matorene, siasa za Kenya shitwekete do or die. Itonete interesial kalao, kenda wiko moni yaku yeye implications shia no oraka shinda, kedra ni udai shinda, the implications shia ushinda ko kire the Mount Kenya politics. Kana DCP shinda the implication ende onto ndauga itukite do or die itonete itaro bi kwa gontokotina area itonete mitungi ya ngasi itonete matresi and so on and so forth na kinya utumiri kwa akora tabura atorikia kuga
nende olkalayo na te olkalayo akikinyara atware menge embu birabi yete bianjite o come up. It's a notion that no mwangato na ni political supremacy. Na supremacy neo o de formula wa tumira formula no any formula that you use provided the end you are supreme, which is very wrong. Nonto okay ako elia data takudura wa muthende resources serious tumiro ko ita abatiro tumire ka indati mana nonto noroto wa to basukuru batena competition. It was not good, it was wrong. Ere kona nyote point ya ko aria point ya ron ko use manipulation. Na state machineries na choni bati koreka utumirwa ko fight the opponents, especially the opposition. Nonto at the end of the day mwanenjura akumia nomwe. Nende odkalau kambu ya otikamu yayo no ka okethia kwena baraba kuibo ba chinda na bangi ba chindwa. Lakini the most important thing iremba kwa elua ibati kwa lelua in the manner na ata mwananchi akaithire kugunika. Although it is wrong gutuika thai iro mwananchi akurika na maendeleo nonto bwango ire ubuntu bwa chachera yite. Ingui kwanto bakiwa kabo yite mwaka yoena yo budget. Inanga batura mwaka no kalita yo kelo ko budget. Kinya next year okata kuna budget yenge inanga mwananchi akwate kwa budget iriko. Yu nende ndiuga budget ira chonda chire in place nonto botethira mwananchi mbere kura chikinya. Nitumiro in the right manner iteithia mwananchi kwa targeted. Ngiroge tutumira intobia bingi yabira bito alkalau nondo bwakure iri karingwa alamisi. It is wrong. Kago tumiro resources in the right manner mwananchi wengwa make decision yekie wengwa kulingana na informed level ya burango yake iriti. Lakini irega alkalau ekauma again in attention na most likely thing to happen komba kwenda nandwa kuna loss of life, komba kuna destruction of property, which is not warranted. To me, kankuwa all the two sides need to down ba approach alamisi with a lot of caution kenda ntobara beto baketheka.
Sure. Nande to tegere matorene wadi ya Mikindori ikwete kuri na siasa cia Mikindori thoko gwite Dwankale ituika municipality na ikwete kuri na gituma gikingi kwi bamwe bashumiria baruta meario nkorani ende the state ya gukirwa kwa Mikindori municipality
ote jalegria Mikindori. Babu, you have been here for the last 4 years. Have we ever recorded a demonstration in Mikindori against municipality? It means then Mikindori has not had noise. I'm coming there. Okay, there are Otemi recorded demonstration in Mikindori for the last 4 years that have been with this process. Then those who grouped themselves on Thursday last week are just political people. They were trying to express their political opinion, but ote opposition either equal a municipality. Na nkwira on the road ichi. Onda anjiride manto municipality na town 2023. 2023, a few months after we were elected. First public participation, ebedero 2023. Na tuinda tote kaneria, beginning near town, na ranjira process. I went all the stages. Ilasi tawachi onde ya kubuidia market ya town. Na town yekuluka 2024. Town yekuluka 2024, ndanjira process ya municipality. Kende meo kava egondi ya Mikindori yonde. Towni itakuluka 5,000 kilometers square. Kunde konete ukava the whole want ndeta kuria kirera ken department ya physical planning. Ndaboria what can I do no think kwenda area renge kwetiere tikumita ki town ndenda nyawe idrai within the urban area. Bambirende from the town we cannot change anything else unless we go to the next level which is a municipality. Ku ndeweta kuwekira municipality yakwa kenda cover ondie kwa yonde kwa yana idea from other departments kotweka ito expand kuto expandi oni ndane opinion ya toka vethangata nonto bakuna te market ndauga toka vekuna te market na all the markets around it to elia ingi tona toke ya kukilukia municipality ya Mikindori ekava Mikindori ward na Thangata ward to atiga kigucho ward as an island. Nonto from the other side of Nyambene forest is Mawa municipality. Toya this other side of Nyambene in Mikindori municipality. Tona kiocho ekaura. That is now when we agreed na department cheto ndawa kiocho yekirwe. Ko kanywa kan kwaria ko kaga te kwaria cia thai kaga kwaria facts. I am the one who included Thangata and the Kigochwa in my plan of municipality in Mikindori. Norongia mbakuwa kwa review na kareta fact natore auge baku ando ibagora ya municipality ibature ro ibauge ora kwaria fact kiruge binkwaria mwire ato karere nde kuwa to anjire town mwire re to karere nde to with the municipality public participation mbon moni mbicha chabara bakarere nde in the meetings mboni yenye department wo batomi in that time to boni nya clips chamando ya bwethekete endere bakarete nda lamisi bakauga to na municipality kabaronere am achieving a dream that could not have been achieved by just a mere leader. Ende bamenya process ye ere akakaimbo 100%. Kutoka ya waga input yetu ko torero tebio to detaira angoria mudhomi onteto bado tora lamisi bauganto bate kwenda Friday the following day iro to arena public participation nobody showed up kibo bonde barake mindie on Thursday ara la resto ote mundo ira public participation nana kuromba kura a represent mondi yanto para bakurega bate ire kinyomwe bata to mire kinyanto ubo we supporters bo be yakuo but that their opinion which is contrary. What kind of a leader or kind of leaders are they? What population do they represent? Ko Mikindori municipality has already become etiyerie kwa assembly to mekologia shoot ko muto to nengro validation ningi kavana wetu ko ne akolokere bakedia benjamin ibere mwana njuba kuiba ku represent miake na inabatwirethia batara giroto agoromba kura nimbe batari ta maoni contrary no to the nya assembly kura ko clerk to etia all the memos ira ciandikirwo through the mail chito mwakira email to nethia yo ereo to enda bete to dikir answered recordings si assembly no to every public participation ni then answered recording ira yeki mwanka in the archives yetherete anything that can come ibete ruare to tuigo sauti ya muntu akita maoni ikethirete kwa then they are not doing the justice to the common mwananchi. Kaimbo is the torch.
Na riria kwagirithia mandiye ogima kwina yendikithia mikindori gutwika level 5 ina mutaratara yuju kinyike.
Okay, batwe tutaranja process ya level 5 ira tu ni level 4 unde gukuma nango ndojogeria ndoa yao baita kuromba kura au radio na chenu na TV na chenu mbajogeria no ndogambika bana bagia ko bakaria kwa wa era yetu te bati ko level 4 in dispensary kango na mutana mwanyo dispensary hospitali chanje level 2 igeta level 3 igeta level 4 kiwigitia monka level 5 unde gukuma ndethere yetu igeta wa level 4 yetwa. It was just a road-sending declaration by the previous governments. Ndeko yandethira there are no provisions. Otenya umawatho. Tebio biandiki bi ometa level 4. I took a legislation step data motion in the assembly. Ekuwa batwe mbere buruto kia level 4. Totemia kwa level 4 tore under the mother hospital Mudhara ne imbere yetu. Kuba tu kwa sub county, to sub county hospital, to attached to Mudhara. All the management you Mudhara. Ndaona nende utemenyo kura when you under somebody. You better be cut off. Where independent kendendo bangiro budget yeku mwanya. That's what I did. Na kenda baba kuromba kura bamenya no ndo kuromba kura bate kumenya. Munda rogira do agari ndo no menya. Nambu metege profession ya warimu, we take stock. Kato kuthika roka thiria kwaria to akwa facts. Ende bi kwa na ruari facts. Na ora ugate level 4. Ne ya woni monelie, moni record, moni barua. Ekona ni it is a level 4. Na kira wa this thing, this and that. Nichi anjo implement immediately. That is why ndaanjiria waka theater. No ndwende dispensary imbi in level 4 sub county hospital. The idea tayekwa ni kwepi the last bunch equipment chiakinya on 20th this month. The last bunch ya theater tudira ni theater. Outpatient block ora ye mbere yara. It is Kaimbo was initiated it. Nora atebitikia ayeto moni mbicha cha muthanga yo toriau kao tokare na maiga na ekinja musingi to moni ikinyete linto to moni kinyete egekero mabati to moni ekinga wa plaster to moni yaga orangi. Many people want to cheat people for no reason. Na ninge lakini kabanya korongo kwa hivyo totani mutongeria to MP omwe some years back ato irogenda korongo ya muntu murongo ya miaka egana inyabuke ya kuonega ni urongo ethe nya wa temoyo ni nyote moyo ende urongo bwa meri ethatu na mwana njo akona royo na bio mwera wore iregoro nyaji aje nore iregoro na mwana njo ature na process yu imakosa kuwa nkonda kuwa atre level 4 hospital da ingo aka radiology block ne oto anjirije last year na ito atere to wa budget yayo na lastly to to bwi the mock kwe murombi mwakura ugire Kaimbo antoethia waka blog nyumba nyingi hao na ikira ndawa hospitali ndaria muntu nyambuga kambika kwa degree ni ata degree kaithoma wata ntuko kana chio karata degree tuikire ndawa tureke waka theater tuikire hospitali ndawa tureke waka mortuary tureke waka radiology block ndawa ri kaite Kenyatta ntuko na mortuary Kenyatta National Hospital na mortuary indawa ite no kana ndo bagacho level 4 na araba itakia Kirua oye to emission yere yao kirua urendo mbirete mochari indawa iteku kana me athenere to nundu na mochari indawa ite no endo koria muntu what is the nimbi na correlation ye kuira ya ndawa na mochari ne kuira na ndawa na theater ndawa muntu ra kuya no ura ndawa chire mete mwiri wawe muntu ra tiriti akarema tika ate ndawa na kwa ndawa iko tumenya wa atubeta India indi ni adamuntu akagwa migiro yete na ndawa When Kenyatta National Hospital ni wacha ndawa, Nairobi Hospital ni wacha ndawa, Aga Khan University ni wacha ndawa, muntu akarifa wami, ngambo ko ndawa utino ndawa chiro cha kwana anywhere utino ko ndawa nimbi to mamundu ndia nakwa kethino ire no ndawa ire nimbi to mundu atalanda nake yana ithanduku ko mundu atukachi atwira atiri itwekira ndawa cibitari iro mochero kage tumi aturi to ndawa cibitari iro giete kage tumi atura twekira ndawa ara level 4 hospital iro tugete atutine tumi ya waka maternity no ndawa igekirwa like now ndawa ci level 4 hospital cheire last month kimege kya mwisho chiguthai ko no miro de mundora ko in that area this time yonde ndo mande ta mathikone ko no miro muntu ndawa itara hospitali ni hospitali so let us not cheat mwananchi na urongo botiki nyana na Kaimbo started level 4 hospital and I'm building it in the manner nyamrombi kura o akoromba kura ate koelewa ko undre ngwene na batu twina ngwechi yetu cha kurita na twachirita ko kire health is my priority number 1.
Okay, kwe sibitari inge ikwageridwa kire wa dia Mekindori.
Yes. Oni ngwerere imbumete wari mune. Oni mbonete indigete nana na nkamenya bora community rani. Debi tumete ona ndeu kuma kire gitege kia MCA ngwechi yako very unique. Tengwire cha kelele yambi na nkimenya bora police budakwa. Ko level 4 nkime elevate ikienda idimbo south tiene central. Not it's a sub-county hospital. So I've been trying to put it to that level. Kende easy the load ya mwananchi au mete kile dispensary ya yara level 4 ya sharing services ya lokaringi in another hospital. So we are trying to put level 4 yetu itie kiwango nekira mwananchi ari fund from those other levels. Ilandi chiye ende akinyake level 4 kona services chake watu ikakundumiwa. Ingwa kan dispensary Rujo eto irete na dispensary. Okay, akwenda distance ya Mekindori want kuma Mekindori town Mwanka Molika, it's a very owned area ya 2 locations. Kwa hivyo na 2 locations bote na dispensary yake au then it means that mwananchi na kuregerwa distance ya itakuwa matibabu. Lakini the other side enough for them the other 2 locations. Ende oni indadiriye kangethia dispensary very complete yeterete akikonenkrwa personnel na niombe terete thai na sisibabra ndekwa thai tutatu wa umwe aitano rujo inkomithiria thai ngo complete this budget year 2026 2027 kango complete rujo indanjire laboratory Molika inko hope kame complete before the end of this financial year akaiga dispensary indanjire laboratory inibatu kwethia kuthiria ngwe by 2026 2027 yetu eneo na generally kire hothi adona dispensary ndekera stima bila to kwenda nendo shughuli kadhairwe na nyarunka nkenda ndina mbango ya with the budget ye 2026 2027 ko nkuregera kire ogima health is wealth lebo nkurenyo factor number 1 yakwa ya utegi anto Mekindori ndo anto bana ogima bamwere bakomba utangwe batede family chio na batede Kenya ukura ko wone after that one neto garia muno ko buide personnel litone tuina alitingwe bakogana hospitali uchi yetu kenda at least wetu na matibabu yani for example tigane central yonde no the most busy kile maternity rara level 4 in fact ana baraba ya rara level 4 yetu inkrokie the east and west ko very soon itokoromba kinyawa expanded wa maternity nitwarite na governor na to to yatobwedie expansion ya maternity yetu non to south the center which has a very high population na kwena only one level 4 hiyo sawa ndo bonde
sure and of course another function era under purview ya county government rungurwa ridhore ya MCA ni mantigi mathoko
yes
thoko Mekindori barabara era ina nyuma era Kongoro era kidogo ina mutolo muno kabros ishi yeteka na
bere buru imakosa muno kwetha town irete na kabros mongathai but indaire kwetlo na kabros yetu cha guthirwe kabrira twagi itara kireito kacha gairo utathatu yani tia wa Mekindori town chekiro Mekindori town lakini political india ya tonengra MCO enka ichonde MCO area neighboring no area neighboring omba kuingo akiro town ni ne gero gwira wigiro so chietuka chietire chabuthirwa agreement bona chaganwa to 3 wards chireta mbeu chekro kakaene chieta kiuchwa want check rogi ojo market inde chieto chire atu chie quarter ino chieto cherere kwanira au na from that time tutira that we na another plan but kangwa ndakuona to Mikindori one of the benefits of municipality ibarabara yuchi onda chie o connect to that town na kaimbo wari urwa nimbi to barabara yi mbira to ya wondi ne itemi yakuri barabara chionde my brother let us talk the truth to the yasho for example this year tukawa 18 million ida budget yewe tigira tona 18 million per ward 18 million per ward o anembe chuna location inya location yewa tikona 4.5 million to for example location ya Akaiga 4.5 million location ya Akaiga inandala che konda wako milioni mwanja for yo inaida ebrome toka na 4.5 at the whole location in one financial year nandala che konda milioni mwanja orende be nerando de ambi ta milioni yele na nusu tebo duri in road transport na energy no yo nandaracha mbia cheke thomo cheko cha that location ikora mbia cha roe cheko cha that location ikora mbia cha youth cheko ikora ko kona tokarema ko lobby other ways totomba ko koketa for other departments ko bondo ku atre barabara cha nyuma cha Mikindori to achibwedia this financial year na totekera lami nuntu we don't have the resources totekera kabros nuntu the resources hirio but tukarima barabara chetu ngirindi na tukira maram sawa sawa but they know permanently a Kadhiru municipality for example Meru municipality bagi million 150 million by the World Bank 18 million ira kale bwana nkeri county government of Meru akaringana na million 150 chana ya World Bank no kuona ka tikira barabara ta yegro lights yegro kabros yegro lami ni kwenda ibon kwa na minodi yakara mawa municipality bagi million 102 kuka ngwana aina 18 million cha county na 102 million cha World Bank nimbika ngwana tebwithe no imodolo kwa dirita town inera nunto na resources kana ibon tungkwenda municipality minodi kuluka nani kenda 18 million yakwa yongelo World Bank kutuika barabara ito kuwa tutukomba bwithe ntwari resources ira cha county World Bank ino tutedia na other NGOs kura kuwa miunda gaitia kwa wako mbona akilionga akiwa barabara miunda gaitia anti bawati kura municipality imbire miunda titetie amunda yidi yao wate yo kumrume ukethora ndakia plot ya kuna milioni more municipality ya ukanja kwenda milioni 3 no kanchi idrikari itedia yedirwambia kana iwe tichi akuchetia okay no weta kwa land tuare weta kwa land waru sine land uturotari tambecha no nengro city kwewe awa service kwa land otheri tombire awa land rate kuritira awa mrume weta ruare ore korera munda yao ko land rate tukwe mo one muntu no enya claim ko mbira ari arombi kura bakuwa municipal ya miunda gaitia ibere anto ba anabakande kwa ibere ana barabara cionde ikabwithwa ibere anto area icha chendo china kiundu ikathira china ruti no security ibere anto sewage system kana drainage system ikabwithwa ibere anto thoko ikabango bobwa chete china onda ibere anto kinya parking ikabwa parking ikethira kabrosi wekirwa ndaicho pakonto kwa imbio ntoterea na mutindo to yete to ya to parking ngare kato ya to ekra ngare muko to kana neogoro kato ya mutindo to parking to korea imbio nto migino yote bati korea Nairobi weta Nairobi ko pakangare kana inawe karangare wa ita Nairobi kana utipaka ko paka opaka teriaga nureaga imbio nto kwena thena Mikindori yare ya parking through municipality wasombia chaka to collect wata choto kwa twande gachana betu kaba kande kona ndi murume na noka to kan generate revenue kenda to andikana betu bratu yatia to andike to kwandike mo CD dai to andikan daktari to andikan to agriculture kaba kado mochara yumete ko we have to generate resource. The resources to can generate through market services iranto bakwa through these levels. Kwa municipality Mikindori is going to be a game changer in Tigania Central. That is Mikindori Ward, Kegochwa and Thankatha.
Sure, of course, kwa drainage system, parking, sewer system na kumangania kwa madhoko. Yege mabarabara. Apart from ira na ndishire yakwe na thoko ira tukwaraire manti kabros na besha irekethira kiguna mukari yatuika municipality ingi na mashinani
ode mzee mami barabara ya Kaimbo. I want to look at the camera straight. Ode muntu athurwa Mikindori ward are barabara ya Kaimbo. Let it go to in the record. Nete ki record. Ode muntu are barabara ya Kaimbo. And I can tell you as we speak now. Ode ward eteremi. Ode ward etere na barabara eremi as we speak now. Nataka kama wasiwasi kuri mabura barabara tare mo kethira kato kurura barabara bado turura barabara bore wati kurura kethia ne 30 kethia ne 40 ne 40 kethi 20 ndenda straight to the record Kaimbo no muntu mbere kuma barabara cia omba Mikindori want we introduce maraming barabara Kaimbo re the Mikindori want kuma 1963 na Mwaramu yuma Mikindori want kwena kware inyinge mno Mikindori ward but Mikindori tona muntu why we exploit that resource ekinyela barabara Kaimbo is doing it okay I may not do it 100% of the resources but iwonde oneriantu barabara ndi moyo grombi Mwaramu as we speak now kwa barabara nkurema akaiga yumete Kithio bridge mwankaya kinya St Benedict na yakuluka barabara era isavite MCA bana councilor Bailey na MCA omwe nisavite Councilor wa Thiambia nisavite councilor the late eto Isaya Mathenge na nisavite MC the former Gabriel Chokera barabara wetu ona yentu twandoza Kaimbo arete ndoza in that road tha imo ara mwikro ne kinya warola na tombo mbira Kaimbo tu barabara my friend ka ogwari ndatu ile kwe ko baba kwa ile manto iba ile manto Kaimbo ruwa manto street ruare na baba witarendo makera ka facts ote muntu ari barabara ya Kaimbo. That's
okay.
The fact. Yeah.
Okay. Bungi bore under purview ya MCA ni mantu yengi Angriacha. Wokeria Mureme.
Yes.
Na kumotetheria kwithira ari na kanyamu mukone.
Okay. Oni we Mikindori gondi wena mbati. Kwetha wena Kaimbo o ature kuritana manto ya historia hiwa food security. Manto kuritana theory kirasine. But when I became the MCA now, things became a bit practical. Indri kana introduce the dam. Koronda rombe the dam. Lakini wewe kiro siasa nerema. Dam is one of the game changers in agriculture. Sufficient water for agriculture and domestic use. Iko into kambere gya kuithira okendo cab food insecurity. Okay, ndo siasa ndamweta ombero to take place. Imbio ndo ndenda kuleta dam in that area. Area yonde inotorima food basket yatigania east, central and west in that lower zone. Mbureke ya kura kidogo kaneka nyiga. Biro ya kura biyonde biyandi in that area biadhoka kukaya na mpara. Indi woni mbichie mpara kinyana bara uibariti chukuru. Emo mpara malnutrition. Ne the cause. Kuki wono ndondera do mande na mpara ndeta chukuru na mpara ndevya na mpara chukuru imbichie there's no concentration mwana na mpara. Kuki ntoki gele di wanda ko the kithomo. Ngendo kambere na baitatia banyire. Kuinda gerete muno ko curb that problem through that dam cannot that na sufficient water ya kurema but it never took place. Kuinda gerete ne dewe ko buethia do ire existing. Ndanjire na rwirwa Marage irrigation scheme ibare athina ya siltation chambers. So I finished that problem na mwanka ndi ya babugaru roirwa robwire na iro goita robati wita injire moya ku cab baba tumera rwe kurema interview several groups na ndoi pipes yarwe na ku improve intakes kenda bo deba na roirani kenda nurire meotedia ke kurema ko my vision is that one time na branda uwa itara chiacha that we must relocate Katheri ya Mikindori. We must relocate Kibiritia ke Mikindori. No, manga to relocate those other areas that are agricultural areas in Imenti, particularly tie nara weto kenda to there na food security. Na nondeta da uwa to kareta Katheri yeto nara weto Mikindori kenda to bona bya kure. Indi ndoi ngogeria utegia ndoi nyatha indi na pipes mbati ko distribute na nyatanks go matangi nkaya na later no ntobwa ndoi cia kurima na cio tumira kiri miche yetu ko kira agriculture inquiry yote vya ikundi na pipes inquiry improve intakes cietu kenda ciethia ciina rwi rwani na inquiry ko bwithia kwa na matanki ya store water na the most importantly nkaya na seedlings imbayanite seedlings cia Kandania through the department of agriculture kumakinga bana itoya ni tembe bokando lakini etekwana kunkaya na mebokando inge ya as tokinyilambura injire nge improve food security na market yetire thai China has been opened. Our president has been negotiating with China na China market ya China torero Kenya nyato kare mambokando akitu kare kwa mpempe na mungau totenyirie China bokando ko as avocado is the way to go right now na nya kauga ndukweria muno. For example ndaya na mebokando this time round inkweria okeria factory ya Kaiga kenda nako kawa kona wita kauga thaike na mbecha bokando china mbecha na Makandania ngwetekia tu na ndoi chiani tukamenya kurima mibokando etu itikuma tukamenya kwanda Makandania itikuma na nyi mira bingi bigetha biekubwa ya marigo kuwa nkwirigira I have plans na ngwetekia chekinyanila tutha mwananchi wetu from one level to the other in terms of agriculture.
Sure. Na tukitegera ya agriculture ntukomea bure the county assembly na county yarabu gutegera yigi manufacturing ugweta factory yu irega tetheria kwa add value kiri our produce tutatwikia ki to under the masses of market forces ende inya kuongela baita kire kitheni macadamia kwithira turina at least some factories ira igatetheria kuongela baita kire urimi bora bwetu.
Okay, tuina aggregation center Rorera which is complete through the president and the governor. Tuina fact that industrial park yetu ireke value additional ikethena a center ya value addition kiri mirabieto na all the produce chetu cha Meru na inkweregere ni njere moya ukire mwananchi kenda gutwika into bila bionde oketha bite weta it waste na wa wiki na bikandi value bikuma mbecha ko inkweregera with this industrial park na those other factories that we have around tukomba the value chain na hiyo yonde yateithia mwananchi muno kigukira
kumutetheria kwithira rina mbeca mukone. ECD we mwarimu kana wari mwarimu mante ECD ekwithirite kuri na hati mante ige wandikanie and so on kwagirithia kithomo kiu kenda gitwika nakio kya kugunainya mwananchi.
I get I've been a teacher, yes, and very passionate teacher about the kithomo kya twana tutu nini na oni riranda mbithirite ndi mwarimu ndrona kwina very big detachment between the primary school and the ECD kwa tu ikarira kwina mbia cia free primary education chitio kinyaki mwana oro nasare no ndwarirwa we oro wa county ende kaurire akinya mwana ora yere chukuru ero no county onge no national government. It is quite wrong ninde that gap wetwire ochi oni ndetrenda mithiria na assembly through the department of education tuenda kamite yetu ya education tutongere tuni mheshimiwa Nkonja Maore wanto betwe tukarinde tu kamite twetekaniria to change kithomo kya nursery na ndabera from the teacher view kithomo kionde githemia ko mwarimu ati sawa okoro kaji muntu ore mwana uniform omo bagirenya lanji na meate ndene na blueband omo ore mogu yonde ya kwendeka na turamu mwarimu akitheta kana mwarimu ati comfortable ti kithomo kire yau kombiche uri mwarimu we comfortable in class kinya mwana ate na yuku no athome nto kithomo te kwandika ake lakini mwarimu ate sawa te kithomo kireo ko batu turo kande kire kithomo kire committee to education togore ndo kambere ne we improve scheme of service na bibi tumatura kawira mama ate law policies kawira could not understand the policies ko I proposed implementation of the scheme of service yari mwana sari no mwana sari andiki English 16 all inclusive commuter allowance, house allowance, strenuous allowance, kila kitu 16,000 whether you have a degree, whether you have a diploma kana wina certificate monda bana 16,000. It is abnormal. It's abnormal for a government to pay all the cadres the same pay. Ende mwalimu na degree re yari wani bionto aikire 40 tone makosa ku to wenga kawira no ndo yari kiuga ke boko ke moya kura mama mwanga yari erinda ritamboke tebinge ibiu no ndo atekwa lobitu kwe tukwenda mutume hukuma oreo we started the process and I cannot today report straight to the camera that the scheme of service has started implementation arimo ba ita mocharo already your scheme of work service already mwalimu ora wa certificate na kwa over 25,000 mwalimu wa diploma na kwa dangarukia ngiri 30 mwalimu ndiri na kwa dambia chake githomba chire iguru okwengiri 40 na arabitia what does it mean nende mwalimu wa sawa mwalimu ora tritangu 10 no agekirwa kiuria no twende tukwethe mwalimu comfortable at least akomba ku manage life yake kidogo kenda no ethire comfortable in class. Secondly togwa gintu kingi gira kwenda ke mwalimu wa sawa tutendekire mutwa no nabati kwa one good teaching materials na learning materials mwadoro nabati kwethia na ite class ine we are trying to balance that to ne school ira speto bia na ite bia na medenjaga na class ine conducive for learning to take place kintu kira kingi kire murito materials isi ya muno learning and teaching materials itioneka muno no tokwethira county government bia cha want ite with the raw materials. So as the Committee of Education we have another responsibility ya kuwithia policy ingi kuita twikira tukulukia bia chia word no chi purchase learning and teaching materials for the learners ili ende murito rake ethire complete no ntu mwalimu orende isawa class isawa na materials ya kuthoma isawa ili ende tuketha to every and 300% there's learning taking place in class. Otherwise ana bagaina rwembo rwaru na wambere toita kora dai kuthira twiteni ndio tethe bai kuthoma. So we need to put that one to class. Baba kuandikwa dai ombira kwina atiati ero lakini ereti ni ando wetu politically. Somebody went to court na lo amiuga on process that tumero lakini kare dissatisfied maybe because of not qualifying. Memundo karo qualify na njeri nyingi monoja kubwithia jako turia emotions ciake. So we know that that case will end very soon. Na rimu ari kwandikwa makandiko no already the interviews were done or the reports were written be to terete akini that case either in court alafu antu bubandikwe. So there's no thina eroekuria kubandika. Those who qualified will be employed. Those not qualify bakawa any other responsibility to do.
Sure. Kile wande mikindori kuri na ure mibomera
mono
there was a bill in county assembly.
Yes.
Kwithirite kuri na nkujanio na of course known to agriculture it's under the purview ya county government per se na pia known to ne antu bakunya bare aremi what is all this about the mirabi
nkujani siasa when I look at the Mwananchi as a very innocent person. Mwananchi very innocent no to let people go to their farms. Mwananchi ataragi farm yake na ganja kutangwe. But then the problem is now when you get to the sales. To anjende ko mashara ya ndobira Mwananchi abuthetie okay akonenda to an interest wake ya batu da cartels. Cartels bare ya no ndoko the interest jo. They don't go to the farm. They don't tender those crops. But better the mure miungitine. Wo amura waka ndinto biawe. That is why we have come up with a bill. Mira bill. Kenda tuwekira regulations. Kutuweka Mwananchi kinya ate thomi na ichi into bia kiba tumambe chigana na bati kure kwatia. Kenda cartels ba to ba ata avenue. Yaweta ko exploit Mwananchi. Ko tika mbili yena nkuchanio. Ni anto baraba to cartel baraba ko ne betete wachia njira. Ya ko exploit Mwananchi bakuria njia mbadala. Ya baraba can delay the implementation. Now to as the county assembly of Meru no do batu architect bambi leu we are very alert to come make sure we implement the latter kena Mwananchi atethekana nto tutomba kuria na Mwananchi bakire ya thina yet they are the producers.
Sure. Na to ke dirikiria what are we not talking so much about? An issue I feel we should be talking about as a people era ni erekeguni to everyone.
Okay, bila batu nkwenda bila nkona tutuwekira muno na nkwenda tuwekira the consultation. We need to be tolerant to one another na to consult one another. Onire ndari mwarimu wa ndaitana muno purely ndina degree ya History and Kiswahili. I taught History and Kiswahili non to accommodate secondary option and still I'm trained a P1 teacher, a primary school teacher. Then at primary school, I was trained to teach 14 subjects, but mostly I majored into 3. The international social studies, Kiswahili, and English. Kuu, ontegemea kwethia ndi mwarimu the best ke mathabu. Nonto kwe nongeno the best ke mathabu. Endo ke ya Kiswahili, toina to na nyato ka to karinya tu inje dia Kiswahili. Endo nto nyo area yekwa. History yari my favorite. Kwe nongeno akuwa no the best ye ki science. Kurungia kwa ye the best creative art. Kuu, batu bila to wachia no put all those skills and those abilities together for the common good e mwananchi wetu. Na when I asked this question not once or not twice, nkauri ya 3 nduga turingero kura kwethia kwina 6 debes mathando kwa 6 the MCA, the MP, the senator, the women rep, the governor, the president. And to bakarantera these 6 of us tukaira na tudhuri mwananchi na mwananchi wewe aikira kura aikira ithandatu wenka tugwate tutetheria muntu the 6 of us taramoteithia mwananchi are motetheka mwananchi are motetheka twethone twathanthatu omwe embugo orandi aikire kura gokwa uregirire MP uregirire the 6 votes muntu aringire omwe the 6 forces ciantoba ikio come to play chare motethia muntu itrema. What is lacking then? Ikaimbo akenda kubwithia MP no mwandu. MP akenda kubwithia senator no mwandu. Gavana akenda kubwithia MP no mwandu. President akenda kubwithia onto MCA no mwata. That is what has put our citizens into a very precarious situation, which is very much unexpected. Okay, only what with discussion to wekira. How the 6 pieces of votes and the representatives that were elected are not coming together and talk in one voice for the common good of mwananchi ule aliowachagua. Union discussion kienda oni as a person.
Finally, your advice to the young people.
Ke young people, endare ke youth ye chocho. I've been to the youth. Nuche youth di bera wiba talents. Oni be the ande mwarimu music and drama. And that is what I am. Na drawings. Na in fact that's what you can define Kaimbo with. Kaimbo momundra yani msanii. Kaimbo ni artist kwa jinsi yake. Urankureita na ipawa byakwa. Na tokarea kwa njia kuria youth through their abilities. Then we not have tomorrow. Tipo ndeba ichi mathabu. Kinyani kwa tikanda ichi kuru muno. Kaniko baba ichi mathabu. Tikanda ichi muno kila kitu. But I can tell you with authority. Oyake muziki utapata Kaimbo hapo. Na ewe ilinye teko makania thero university. Ogethe Kaimbo na no primary na ako andu. No ndu talent yo tumira ku. Au. I've been a trainer. I've been training from 1996. Training music. Kumande class 8 na trainer music. Study piece in the class 8. Kuya study piece in 4 voices. I have been a conductor or choir the rest of my life up to today. I've been composing dances na kuanjudikita ama kanditenda ajudikita. Ili talent na oteno nchinda na muntu in that area no nto talent yekwa. Nindi batu tokethia tokendo tedia youth muno we get to the talents. For example, what I'm doing in Mikidori Ward, ingeretia ku identify talents ciana beto through what I do. Intethetia na muno grow their talent show. I can tell you that I am the pioneer of modern dance in Meru County. Modern dance ira yanjiririe ndegeterwa igita wa nei time Kaimbo no areombera guikia class ya modern dance to the regionals. Na from that time ana baina muno chieto sakata chieto ambiwe itari mwanka wa chiungana kungana mwanka today no kachiethera chieko. Nebo kona ntugura twari na mashuja na kasa games. Timu ra inere twana era inani ne ana baran kuretia. Bangi baina bia thonde bibia to bia birachona ambi no ana bakwa. Kou ira yanjira kwa identify talents. Na bangi no barriera by the way. Ana bangi no barriera. Enge the sports na games. Oni mbere tendi na a very successful tournament. Tometa Mikidori Ward Talanta na Kaimbo season 1. Tomethira 2024 na yeta very well. Then season 2 ile bati kwa njiri August. Season 2 ekethira ina football for men, volleyball for men and women. Ekethira ina darts for men and women. ikethe na pool table for men and women nekethe na junior twana tuto nini kweno ndetire mendiko camp ndethe atumbo itu ni tucha thamugire muno meano ila kana ogonaga kagya kuibuka chocho gwaka kagantu katim gauka ndogone kangethia ndakaurite nya mubira kwigange kai mikinduri inkwani nyobo kumakiligi wekwa tone league dogo twana tuto nini na tubenya kanya bachethe tuba cheer up kenda at least baga na mengi na motisha na nkethia ndi na maune ni giothe gya kigutho kero bao kira kya njothe tuketha tuna kyo na the most important ni masters cross country tuketha tuna masters ni antu baraba over 35 years monga 70 roro antu bakuru kethia ndi na ruo na ruo one day unio tukabwithia the final day kuno kwa liende liye kaimbo te futimbo mando wa tournament futimbo akaimbo very expensive no kaimbo mwarimu knows how to tap talents in different areas ko nkuwa ye kwani yete sontu ko barora kia kaimbo kare te talenti kare te tournament mwaka yona people don't even know kato watu mena becha tobera murume yari 2023 na 24 na tabuta ameona eno ndo mundo warenda kuwe taethirereo kere tithai but batu na tutu na kubwithia we know even re bwithirwe and we have the records for what happened ko kaimbo with the man today I'm doing things systematically na bakaya ko loy nyawo jira na uliba yako londe mwarimu ambeka grasi ne odhari na uba yombeka na chaburi cheka waje dira kuthamba kaimbo mwarimu and kaimbo do things in very sequential way na muntu akarinthia no plan okay the numbers scheme moritoa ajoka lesson planera na lesson yoguma na mwarimu mwamtoa kloka ogaya ko thwa kaimbo kira kwa gwethera te kumba it's not inability.
Thank you very much.
Kwa mwisho kama angeta kidogo ndi chairman wa Youth Sports and Gender Meru County na ibatu ta hosted county assemblies games and sports last year where wimbo rokwa wa folk song no yo ya number 1 among the teams yonda ya Kenya kuna Meru Youth Service which is a very good program ya njiri tera kirito na kirito mipiki bopo wega muno na ya sponsor na wabinge muno one of my relative ndonere abu yugetu itara kirito na today biara ya ira kaira tiles is a very good tile installer kwina na bangi ba jabatafi in my ward by treba buithia plumbing they are very good in plumbing na inko na baba ingi bara bari ko kinya itara ya talent search itara kirito anto ya ba mutethia lusto ba are very good football at that time people like akina Dimita taine referee lakini na ukarakari taitagi football kidogo lakini bonde ni talent search itara kirito na ni nyani inda ile wekira anto bangi na program chawa kidogo na nyuma ya bakawira Priscilla ba volleyball very good itokiretia anto ya ba Mokaria Godfrey Kiremant ya dances no one days over out train dances na area mwanya na itoko na twete debo boya nindega kuga MOS is one of the game changers mutumara chokerie na na beto dai betete boya muno ndayugiria 2024 ndayugiria na banana ndabatirenoa last year this year twatireneteana 20 na mutuma governor mutuma na kiria na 20 ba wondia mekindori no kuona nende ya almost 30 national youth service imbigetiana 12 wa mekindori want na bakathiria training uno njire moya kutedia youth still na nkiuga the other areas tukweria ni wiki na beto kenda bomba ni ku secure life show through their talents kwa nkoromba nkiuga as the chair youth sports and gender we have so many programs na ubatire na MOS tubarete tekire VTCs na technical institute chieto kenda batire ni skills merina kwa nkoromba nkiuga all our technical institutions ila chi Meru County chethia chirende ku receive na ba MOS babete kubwithia trainings merina kenda chukuru chi miako kwa competition na chomba ko boost population ya those areas kenda na beto miako na kuona skills chiotedia nacio uturo bwao.
Thank you very much mheshimiwa na ntubwa kona invitation ngigututariria yeye the transformation agenda ya wadi Mekindori TV janake indi nyamantege gokeria mantu